He gonna give me phone.
Who?
You. Where are you from? Look it right there. Where are you from, Bubba?
Cold.
Hey. That's gonna slip right off there.
Right here?
No, where you was at?
Look right where I had.
Now I think you are smoking weed, huh? You gonna have to hook it around that.
Hook up.
Dakota, you know how to do it.
I don't know. The car hooked the first time.
Yeah, go hook up first time.
That ratchet off there.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna pull it. That strap won't hold it on. You take damn log time.
Hey, I pulled him out this weekend with my truck and it didn't break, so it might do it.
Was it down like that?
It was pretty bad. It's probably worse than that. Mine's too.
Dakota. And then pull that while you hold that. Pull that in. Pull that. See that thing? Okay.
There's you gotta pop the little thing right there. There you go.
The longest part.
There you go.
You can find that paper. Irisburg.
It's like aggravating the dog. I ain't know how that is. At least you know some people.
You gotta have fun, bro.
There you go.
You're in a sticky situation, have a little fun with it.
Yeah.
Weed helps too, though.
All right, Donald, get back on that car.
Dakota, go ahead and jump in the driver's seat.
Jump in the driver's seat.
Oh. Hurry up, Dakota. Well, any gas would help. It broke. It ain't gonna work. You just got to get a chain or something. Unless you can tie it a little better. It didn't break, it just slipped off.
Oh, yeah, it broke it.
It did?
Hey, go on back, tie it son of a bitch up short. Get up there and tie it. You muddy and wet, you might as well get her done. You drive home in your drawers.
Yeah, I will if I have to. Shit.
Goddamn right, I'll drive home in.
Huh? Tying it short.
Dry it up short, bub.
Shorter it is,
Like
the less
you do.
tension. It worked out.
Draw it up short. Hey, it don't matter. We ain't tying around over there.
It's the only metal thing I got.
Tie it some bitch good. That don't matter what I do. Double knotted, I don't care. When Johnny moved back there, Dakota?
He done moved back out again.
Huh?
He moved in, then he moved back out.
Who's living down there now?
Nobody. They've got a junkyard going on, it looks like.
They still with that same old gal?
That little 22, 23-year-old.
Oh, Lord.
He ain't with Deborah no more.
All right.
He ain't been with Deborah in about 5 years.
She wasn't getting it up to him. All right.
She was a good old gal. No, Johnny's a goddamn asshole.
Yeah, you got that cheer right.
Yeah, really, his family being assholes?
She ain't gonna treat no woman bad. She gonna stay. She gonna stay.
You got treated.
Let her do what she wants. Let her do what she wants to do.
Yep.
Yep.
And if she quits giving you the pussy, then you get rid of her.
I make YouTube videos, so this is going on YouTube.
It is.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's my little hobby.
Oh, God.
He's so God.
Hey, I'll get him to send you a link to it.
One more time to teach you school tie knot.
No.
How old are you? Y'all young as ain't you?
24.
Give it gas.
Y'all won't do this no more, I bet.
No.
Why did he tie it short?
I'm just digging.
Go with him, Dakota, go with him. There we go.
Damn.
Oh, shit. Straighten the wheel out, Dakota. Oh my
Dad's
god.
gonna be pissed.
I didn't do it.
I didn't either.
Dad, he's hauling you straight to the fucking road. How you feel about this, Donald?
Glad I got my car out.
We started here, ended there.
And now we're up there.
Oh my god. He got you all the way to the road. Hey, you want to know what you want for the car?
$800 you can have it. $800 you can have it. 800 you can have it.
$400 bills right now.
Shit.
$450.
You don't want this car?
What's wrong with it?
Take shit.
Motor is?
It's transmission, wheel bearings.
Let's see y'all.
Yeah. I'm out.
And how long did that take y'all?
5 seconds.
No, I mean the whole time.
Oh, I have no clue. We started on this at,
7
it was still
o'clock?
dark.
Yeah, it was still dark. And
He got stuck at 4:30.
this
5:30.
This morning.
It is almost 10:30 now.
Yeah, 5 hours.
But I didn't know where the fuck to go.
You need to straighten the wheel out. You
I
fuck
was straightening the wheel.
No,
Every time
no.
I straighten the wheel out, the car do this, and I try to catch it.
the wheel. No man, you fucked up your yard.
Oh, I gotta get my cousin a tow strap.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Ready to steal you one. You get the other piece. too.
Throwing it, money ass toe strap in your. Oh, look, I'm gonna throw it in your yard.
Alright. Well,
Make sure you're not stuck here.
no.
Dumbasses. We all are.
Yeah.
All 3 of us.
Yeah. See, he got blue on his face and blue on his shirt. It looked like Smurf just fucked him in the face.
Here's your jacket. Sorry for that.
Everything's muddy on him but his ass. I think he left it for somebody.
Well,
Alright, see you later, Donald.
I gotta go over and get my glasses.
Oh.
I can't drive without them motherfuckers.
We gotta walk back up here.
Alright. Hey, go back to the yard.
Hell no.
Oh, you get stuck on this part, something's wrong with you. That's why I'm this for my car. I did it this morning. The first day came from. But hey,
I guess I want to do a part 1, part 2. I had another recording going, but it started raining and I don't want to tear my phone up.
yeah, I was trying to.
This is how a fat kid walks.
Look, I done fucked up my shoes, my new shoes. They're soaking wet. I don't want to hear it. Hey, I can say this though.
Alright, I'm taking my ass home.
I can say this. The tractor did not do as much damage as JD would have. And I can say that proudly, JD.